Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Webflow templates. First, we'll cover the essential steps to get started with your design. You'll learn how to plan your template structure and content, ensuring a solid foundation. We'll then dive into using Webflow's powerful designer interface to bring your vision to life. This process will help you build a professional and functional template from scratch. Next, let's focus on the design phase. You'll learn to build responsive layouts that look great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. We'll explore how to effectively style elements using classes and global styles for consistency across your template. Additionally, you'll discover how to implement dynamic content by leveraging Webflow's powerful CMS collections, making your template highly adaptable. Now, let's enhance your template with interactivity. We'll add engaging animations and interactions to make your design more dynamic and user-friendly. You'll also learn crucial steps to optimize your template for search engines, improving its visibility. Finally, we'll cover how to prepare your completed template for export or for listing it on the Webflow marketplace, ready for others to use. To wrap things up, it's essential to perform final checks. Thoroughly test your template across different browsers and devices to ensure everything functions perfectly. Verify that all images, fonts, and other assets are properly linked and optimized for fast loading times. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This attention to detail ensures your Webflow template is polished and ready for prime time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.